I can't stop looking at this view. This tower is crazy. Like, I don't even know how they built that to look like.
Powder sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe.
I want to do though.
We have a child on our hands. The child woke up.
I'm awake second though. All these other TV boppers are still sleeping.
Yeah, here's the thing,
Some of
okay.
them are still teenagers. Is Caroline still a teenager? Ridiculous.
I'm not. Actually, I am. Okay, so there's 12 of us in this house. The odds of all of us waking up and going to bed at the same time are like that. Like, not even existent. So the problem is I wake up really early and then I'm just like, okay guys, let's go get some food. But no one's waking up, so if no one wakes up in the next hour, I might do my own thing. Good morning, USA. Okay, what time is it?
It's coffee time, personally.
It is coffee time.
And a little pastry.
And it's almost 10 a.m. Y'all, it's almost 10 a.m. and nobody's up. We're gonna have the whole day wasted if nobody wakes up.
Yeah, we're up at 9. Complete slackers. Unacceptable.
Complete slackers. Amanda, Brody, and I are gonna go get some coffee. We're right outside of a 7-Eleven, and I did indeed forget to pack my toothbrush, so this came in clutch yesterday. I chose this place. I hope it's really good, otherwise it's gonna be embarrassing. But the menu looks really, really yummy. Ooh, a matcha latte sounds super good right now. Oh. It's the cutest little canvas toe ever. Also, no, this whole coffee shop is just cute. KUALA LUMPUR gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Also, I got an iced matcha latte with oat milk. Amanda also got in a matcha. Yes, matcha, hot matcha. But she got hot. Brody is trying an Americano for the first time today. Thoughts?
Splendid.
Splendid. Yeah, this shopping center is actually insane. There's so many stores. Stubbs foot in a Lululemon.
Asian fit, baby.
Wait, show him the tag, show him the tag. Okay, so obviously we're in Asia, right?
2 seconds.
Asia fit. They actually have their own style, and this is perfect.
And it's on sale.
And it's on sale.
It's perfect for us.
This whole store is literally on sale right now. This is crazy. The items that I have.
Why is your pasta so much sale?
Alright, these are the pieces that I'm gonna get. Pink workout tank, long sleeve shirt, and then how cute is this cloud bra? Because the way that I would dress a guy in like the cutest pieces, I would have them looking right. That's the tallest building in Malaysia?
That one. I learned it in my class.
Oh my god.
Y'all see that? It's the first time you've seen this?
Shut up!
The window. Did you not look out your window this morning?
No, I did, but I didn't know that was the tallest building.
Tall.
That's crazy. Okay, here's the plan.
The 2 Twin Towers thing, we're definitely doing that. And then the Batu caves, some statues, seems cool. And they're gonna drink coffee and read books. I'm gonna go rock climb somewhere.
You guys, Vlogmas is stressing me out. I got a fair amount of editing done yesterday at the airport, but then my laptop freaking died. So, Mama has to edit. Mom,
Coffee shop grind.
yeah, we're grinding it out.
And she's just gonna get all her done.
But I need to change because I feel like a naked mole rat right now. And then we'll give a haul.
You know.
Okay, ciao. girls would understand. Just finished getting ready. I can't stop looking at this view. This tower is crazy. Like, I don't even know how they built that to look like. I'm super excited to get the day started. I don't really know much about the Twin Towers, so on the way there, I'm gonna do some research, kind of read into it. But here is today's outfit of the day. OOTD. We've got on this bodysuit from Zara. Pants are Free People Fly By Night pants, but these are my favorite. They're perfect for any like hot weather because it's really airy and parachute like. And then my shoes, obviously my Hokas, which are so disgusting and gross. Cannot wait to throw these out. So I did in fact just balance you on a cup of ramen. Gotta improvise. Okay, this city is actually probably one of my favorites that we visited so far. Look at how giant that Christmas tree is. Here we are at the Twin Towers. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I can't even believe these skyscrapers.
Wait, we got this! Yeah! Did you go with me? Yes,
there are monkeys everywhere. Look at them, they're literally climbing on there. Oh my god! Alright, we made it to the caves. We're at a sushi restaurant right now. I also am kind of craving like a good teriyaki chicken. Tonight we're gonna go out to, is it a rooftop bar?
It's a bar on top of some roof during the time of sunset. We should arrive at 6 o'clock and the sun will set at 7:05.
I feel like I'm in Harry Potter.
Eat water.
This is Amanda's order.
It screams Amanda.
By the way, she's not here, she left. She's shopping. So.
Gotta go rock climbing.
Brody's overstimulated right now. He needs his rocks.
I need food.
This is so freaking cute. I can't get over this. We've got some nuggets, some grapes, fries. Don't you dare. I don't really know what this is. Maybe like some sauce, some jelly.
Dude, she's got a whole damn kids meal.
Oh my god, I love this.
We're gonna take the pork. Oh my gosh, it smells like cheese cake. We literally just got 24 donuts. What is wrong with us right now? Can you tell that we love sugar? Wait, do the tiramisu one. Another tiramisu.
And then Oreo. And then the rest. Yeah. Perfect.
Ah, yum! So this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. This might be better than all the food that we've had in these other countries. Tiramisu, baby.
Is it good? Oh my gosh.
Good one.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. It's so creamy. Oh my god.
Come on now. Come on now.
The cream.
Brody rock climbs and he is practicing right now.
I need something heavier.
Let me think.
Oh, there's a chance they have weights in these buildings.
Okay, this one's okay. Do you like the jelly one?
Mm-hmm. That one's really good. I really.
Guys, this is so embarrassing. Yeah, we did that. We just did that, and no one's even here yet. Yeah, anyways. Enough of that.
And everybody ate street food, and it was so cheap and so good. And I drank this coffee, and it was like a hot chocolate, but coffee, but iced hot chocolate. You're actually so adorable. Aww. And we also went to Batu caves, and it was super pretty. It was surreal. It was like nothing I've ever seen before. And we went to the mosque and talked about differences in Christianity and Islam. I love Caroline. Naked day. Naked day, and everybody goes, oh my god, like.
This is my outfit of the night. I'm wearing my pants that I've worn all day. Cotton on, tube top, and we're gonna go out to this bar for some drinks, and then I think we're gonna go to a market and get some food tonight. But I'm really excited.
Yeah.
It's 2022. Let's see how long it takes for us to leave here.
Yo, Caroline, you know, some of us were gone for hours, and some of us chose to sit here and stay, and now they're like, oh, how long is it gonna take to leave, you know?
No, but
It takes the longest to get ready here.
not me. I was ready. I was editing, waiting for y'all to come back. I was already ready.
Oh, wow. Sometimes it's our fault, Jack.
We weren't getting ready. We were just
The
sitting
people outside the house are showered.
I showered.
Yeah, that's why it took you so long.
All I hear is excuses and blaming others.
Yeah, what? Can we
It's funny
leave?
how your
Can we
hearing
just
works.
leave?
Oh my god!
Oh, wait, no. She has to eat her burger.
I'm super happy because I got some VLOGMAS editing done, which I was literally so stressed about yesterday. I kind of went in like shutdown mode once we got to the airport. But we're all good now. Got my work. Like and subscribe.
It's so good.
This is mighty fine, right?
I've been starving for hours.
By the way, we're leaving.
We're gone. Like we're actually gone. We're out.
Wait, the prize!
Okay, we need to lock the door.
Where's the key?
All right.
I don't know how to use
We're
that,
going
so
to this
someone
bar
has to help.
called Vertigo, and we're walking in the rain. In the rain. Let's Such City Girls.
How do we get to the bridge? Does anyone know?
Such City Girls.
Where's the
Hey, you know where I'm at. You know where I'm
I'm done.
Amon, what are we playing?
We're playing Paranoia. It's either gonna end up really bad or just bad.
For any of y'all who don't know what Paranoia is, it's basically where you whisper in the person's ear next to you, like a question, and then that person has to say somebody's name in the group out loud, and then whoever gets chosen, and then the person that had to like guess the person has to say either one or two at the same time, and then the question gets revealed if they say the same name.
Basically, if you both get the same number, then you have to reveal the question for like what you chose them for. Yeah. So I just got told, once I just get told that I was most likely to be in a threesome.
Good morning, US.
Crackling wood all season, decorating a loneless Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose ends. Everywhere you go, it smells like